Are you surprised that some other names out there, some big people, Alkaline for instance, didn't jump on?
I would say I'm not surprised per se, but
a few moments later,
I would say it's a bit disheartening for his fans because they definitely wanted to hear what a version of Alkaline would sound in comparison to some of the other artists that have dominated with the Riddim.
2,000 years later,
Contending, you know, it's disheartening for the fan. His schedule could be very busy at this time. He did roll out an album. Maybe it didn't align with his rollout, so.
Were you disappointed?
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
So, in a gal good, wouldn't see blinds in the red Versace robe. Similar to the red Versace robe Vice Cartel wear in my brother that.
Batty boy! Hey, y'all, come look at this.
May I just say this? Cute, face, hair, nails, girl, nice.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Wagwan, you don't know Media Fox money up, you know. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Foot in them neck. You understand? Yeah, man. People, I think Alkaline is very important to dancehall. Trust me, I can't believe this. You understand? But, me have a clip for you. Yeah, man. Exclusive. You see it? I'm not to see nobody around with it, but it's a shocking to them even bring it up again. That's why I tell you say right now, Alkaline a lead. You understand? Yeah, man, but we're going to have a video cause DJ Mac and Crash, you see me? The youth will build the Riddim, the YWF or watch LWF Riddim. See? You mash up a place with you. You might go talk and tell you what going on.
Successfully putting out a Riddim.
Are you surprised that some other names out there, some big people, Alkaline for instance, didn't jump on?
I would say I'm not surprised per se, but I would say it's a bit disheartening for his fans because they definitely wanted to hear what a version of Alkaline would sound in comparison to some of the other artists that have dominated with the Riddim.
Here we go again. Alkaline fans. Basically, my Alkaline fans feel away. I don't know which fans him talk about because majority Alkaline fans would have say, yo, them no want them artists on the Riddim there. But people, as someone who say Alkaline is really dancehall. For real. Because there's no way you have 200 and odd artists on a Riddim. Remember, you know, them have Vice Cartel, them have Mother up on the Riddim, you know. And you're telling me Alkaline is not present on the Riddim. Them still not satisfied? Eh? No, dog. May I tell you people, no people, this gone too far now. We can't believe this. Alkaline a real profit. You understand? By man say if him not the pan Riddim, no bother with the juggling. You tell me say so much artists pan a Riddim. And remember, you know, people, and Alkaline alone not the pan Riddim, you know. But it's only Alkaline name alone I call for the pan Riddim. This has to be studied. There is no way you don't have big artists pan Riddim and you not satisfy. Remember when I say artists bigger, the artists them are bigger than Alkaline pan Riddim. And Alkaline not on that Riddim, it no feel complete. People, Alkaline are the greatest. No, for real people. This, yo, the Riddim here set record in a dancehall based on the amount of people who vice pan it. Seeing, and you don't know, it cross over basically you see some artists step on it and every little thing. You see me, I do them little thing, but for them talk about Alkaline and the Riddim. Yo, so what to the rest of the dancehall artists them wanna dep on the Riddim? Them not relevant. Yo, dog, people, listen what I go on.
It would have been a good, because Riddim juggling is still technically a competitive sport, so not contending you know, it's disheartening for the fan. His schedule could be very busy at this time. He did roll out the album. Maybe it didn't align with his rollout. So,
Were you disappointed?
I wouldn't say disappointed given the position that I was in and the songs that we were getting. We had our hands filled. You know, even Anthony B being able to resurrect his career the way.
Yo, Anthony I asked man if he disappointed. Brother, what kind of question that? The man have more than Cartel and the other rest of artists them pan the Riddim, brother. You ever ask if the man disappointed? Like say, bro, Alkaline are just one artist, bro. There's plenty artists in the dancehall. So how the man feel disappointed if Alkaline are upon him Riddim? Bro, I don't know that. I feel like if Alkaline never in a dancehall right now, I feel like dancehall wouldn't have the energy. It wouldn't feel, you understand, alive. That's how I see it, people. Because you can't have 200 artists on a Riddim and you have a couple when you dip on the Riddim. See? And out of all of the artists them when you dip on the Riddim, Alkaline is that artist. People, the youth great. May I tell you. The youth great. May I tell you that. Because how can you have more than Cartel on a Riddim and still ask Alkaline? Wow. John, but people, listen what I go on.
Wasn't that something that came like a bolt from the blue?
We need to know.
So people, boy, me tell you, don't play with media facts. Me tell you already. So people, if you don't realize with the Hill and Gully Riddim, right? You realize Masicka getting overshadowed. Because right now, me see Valiant song go viral, me see routine bill. You see like how them they have TJ Drift and you see that little dance routine there. At that me see with something they sang. So look here now. This is Masicka official vlogger, you know. Foolish youth. Seeing him go on tour with Masicka and every little thing. You know, bag boy carry suitcase more while and all of them little thing. They seeing? This man, before him focus on him artist music, you know. That's why me tell you say, them no love music. A video and them thing that them rate. You understand? So look here now. Before a man focus on slip and side, but look here now. Them can't do focus on it because look here. Governor, Skipper, Valiant, how much artists. When him Asian, them a take away spotlight. So look here now. This man have up Alkaline, Girl Good. Remember, you know the song dropped like a month ago. Month had seen. And this man, depending him platform, a crash out people. See? Crash out over a video. You hear me I tell people? A music video for sure you say Masicka slip and slide. Slide down the gully with the donkey. Yeah man. The other is a man them send it down the gully pan a donkey back. You see him slip and slide because how can you say you have the baddest song around the place and basically, your apps artist Alkaline drop a music video and you pull it up, people, the man a crash out. You pull it up on your screen and a crash out over a video. It show me say, you don't really rate an artist. For real. But me understand because other artists might take with the spotlight from Masicka, the attention. You see me? But Masicka song, it can go on. But we don't know which other song will forward and kind of, you see me, snitch it over there, so. You see me? But listen, people.
That's what I say. Big woman thing. That we need to know right now. Bro, just easy to self bad man. All you know out there do are really make a fool on yourself, bro. Tell you already, dog. Tell you already. That's it for you, bro. That's it for you. Yeah?
Yo, people. You know say Masicka them buy views a lot, right? So them a pull up Alkaline views. 128k in a one day. See? Remember, you know, him audio alone soon reach 4 million. 4 million, the audio alone. See? Music we are deal with. Them a deal with video. It come like, how them get for them hit song. That's why song them not hit and last long. Cause it come like say video them hit and not the song hit. You understand? So, listen to him you know, cause be a crashing out.
Understand? Tell him already that me tell me bro. Ask the crooks them, me tell him earlier upon the live, you know. Earlier, I think I don't remember when, but a couple weeks ago or so, or a little time ago, me the people know say, bro, no surprise, this is the last year of blinds, you know. Big woman thing. I look like I forward down to the time there, you know. You see what I say? Big woman thing. It really look like say that forward to the time there, bro.
You know, I realize with Masicka fans, I feel like said them have a disease. Yeah, I feel like them catch a disease when it comes to delusional. Them have a delusional disease in them. More while they make some talk, but in themselves, them know it not like it, like them know say it not real. Them just say it, and it's like them can't control it. Yeah man, them can't control it. Every year them say the same thing. A bag of crash out over video, I don't know say you have song around the place. I tell you already, brother. A 3 year now not do it and we not see nothing different. You see me?
I'm not gonna lie to you. You see what I say? It really look like say it a forward to the time they with blinds, dog. Like on a serious note, bro. When I check the ratio, bro, it don't look good for the dog, brother. You see what I say? See them say it all yesterday. I say it so much time.
You know look good for Masicka right now. We see what Alkaline girl good at out then of the world and the Caribbean. You no see nothing yet. Wait till Arena, wait till him next show and no see what go on. At that me I tell you no. Just go and slip inside down the gully. Pan the donkey at that me I tell you no. Cause remember say when him genius a put another artist pan the song, you know. You understand? And just a send you step by step with the donkey down a gully. You see me? Yeah man.
Remember when last we said it? You see what I say? Big woman thing. We say it so much time since we never remember when last we said it. But my pretty
brother, stop in there. You're not saying nothing, man. Lock off.
it, dog. I'm calling it a mess, dog. Right now, it don't look like after the year, I'm blind. I have the power we have right now. You understand?
People, man say Alkaline now have a power, right? Then wait there. Them did I say from 2016 Alkaline for laugh. Now when Alkaline are running place, them I say he soon now have a power. Brother, why I don't know no confused, brother. I tell you now.
And he actually say it. And now in a real time, we actually see what go on. You get me? Big woman thing. I swear to you. Hold on there.
He's about to drop his music video.
People, I tell you, Alkaline have a lot of undercover fans. I feel like most of them when you see forward come talk about Alkaline every day, them are really fan. Them know everything about Alkaline more than them artists. So, this is a Gaza man, Pink Purge. See? The thing is that his artist drop a song named Victory, but it look like Victory never win. You understand? Yeah man in a pass the finish line. This man forward out Alkaline. Yo, the man them sit down in the people and wait for Alkaline girl good premiere. No? The man them a predict everything. You know? Imagine Alkaline and them artists. But the man them wait. The man them not wait for them artists. They not wait for cartel music, you know. Alkaline for sure, yo. Now Undercover fan them, but listen what I say.
And he's about to drop his music video. When girl good, girl good. And me can bet on my precious life. My precious life that I love so much, you know. When I not see man, none of the girl them a dance on the music video. The man a go stay far from the girl them. The girl them a go there behind him, the girl them a go there side him. Maybe him take a brave heart and slap one of them pan them ass. That I far it's him a go. The man not like man. Watch for yourself. When I go see say that boy not like man.
So it's what I tell the people. Undercover fan them people. I tell them. Some of the time when you see them, I rate the artists. So true Alkaline not touch the girl them in the video. Mean saying not like woman. You know in a different world dog. I tell you that. Cause you don't understand in music video and understand certain things in music video. You understand? Don't feel like say every girl you see in a music video artist can just touch up on all of them things there. You don't know them things there. That's all I have to tell you now. But listen what I say.
I say let a fan base them in them feeling style just because me say the man not like woman. But I not lie me I tell when the music video drop, look for yourself. The man I go by himself in the music video. The ladies them I go dance with each other and them I go dance around him. Nah dance pan him. You remember when Blinds just come in the music industry or him used to dog a woman and all.
But at the same thing with cartel video them. Girl you have girl that dance around him and all of these things him sit down in a chair. So I don't know what you talk about. You see me?
Type of things. I don't know what go wrong in their life, you know. I don't know what go wrong in their life, but the man just change his mind from woman completely. But also the turning fan base still car. So in a girl good.
People want to listen to this. Them mania obsessed with Alka dog. Me I tell you me I tell you people, it really serious dog. Me I tell you, Bro, me not think them Gaza man, some of them Gaza man are rate cartel, bro. Me I tell you, me never see them man critique nothing for cartel or just, you see me sometime I'll cartel drop out some song, man them not say it. Me I tell you, the man them not talk about cartel video, them not talk about, them not critique him video, them not do nothing. Them know everything about Alkaline and what go in a video and all of them little thing there. The man them are wait. You see it, him found out Alkaline no drop no video yet, you know. And him artist drop a video with him song named Victory. And him not talk about it. But Alkaline video when not drop, when him just a talk about it, him man a critique say this a going night, that a going night. Dog, you not have to rate the artist, brother. Me I tell you no. You see it, but listen what I say people, cause boy, them man ya, me no know dog. Sometimes you no go low dog. But listen people.
Wouldn't say blinds in the red Versace robe. Similar to the red Versace robe Vice Cartel wear in my brother that. And Vice Cartel do a lot of trolling in that same red robe there too.
Ah boy. People, sometimes it's true say the man and not woman. So you are watch two man specifically a wear robe. So you watch Cartel a wear robe. And then now you watch Alkaline a wear robe. And I compare two man a wear robe. Bro. You never come down, dog. Brother, me don't know what kind of mentality you have, bro. Me I tell you, bro, but you no really shaky, brother. You no shaky. For you watch two man robe. And color and all of them little thing there. Brother, the artists them put out music. Why you no can't focus on the music? I so no love man for watch your man wear. And this and them thing there, brother. But people hear what I say.
Blinds are deadly, you know. Wouldn't say downtown where Vice Cartel shoot Panic. Wouldn't say at the same place Blind shoot Girl Good. Wouldn't say that though. And the same video quality and the old school vibes the Vice Cartel using a Panic. Wouldn't say at the same thing Blind using a Girl Good.
People, I feel like them man need Ward 21. May I tell you, Bellevue. So, Vice Cartel copyright one famous place where almost a whole of dancehall use a place if you do video shoot already. So, I realize that when Vice Cartel do something, him copyright either the venue or the spot or whatever video him do. The video where Cartel do, brother, a lot of artists do that already. I know nothing new. That little video where them do a effect make it look like a some long time, old time video like dancehall thing. Bro, that's been doing long time. That's why I try showing bro. I tell you already, you know. I know the vendetta people them compare with Cartel, you know. Uno, you compare robe. You forward again. You compare downtown. See? And then you know you forward with video effect. Bro, you not feel obsessed with the artist, brother. Every day you know compare and then you say, yo, can't compare Cartel with Alkaline no. You are two different level. And you get up and do it every day. You understand? You just every day you just watch what this man do. If you compare with Cartel. Me don't know how you do it, bro.
When the girl them wear booty and short shorts of Vibes Cartel using a paddy, couldn't say the same thing Blinds using a girl could Blinds are deadly with the copy still, you know?
People, when Allen made the chat. But look you know, Kevin me said the Gaza man them a beat him if go review Alkaline Girl Good video. It's not a nice look, people. It's not a good situation for him right now. Right now, me not think, I don't know, but they want to kick him out of the Gaza. But yeah, what I say?
Me have to just say this. Cute, face, hair, nails, girl, nice.
Yo, you see when song hit, you see a man them where bring it down and when up sing it. Yo, me I tell you people, yo, dance all nice. Alkaline make dance all nice, bro. Bro, the guys man them go beat him, you know. Bro, Jano dog. Go on your own, take a beating.
That are just the baddest. For some reason, are just the baddest part of the song. The way him just count out, the way him just count out all of the nice things them about her that make the girl good. She cute, that's good. Nails look nice, that's good. She keep up her nails and right, that's good. Hair, that's good. You see me? Just all of these things that was listed are good things. That makes the girl good. Me just love that party. You see me?
No dog. Oh, and you know the man them beat you with there, brother. If you go review Alkaline Barkley show and now you're forward back again. You see Kevin start beat you already, you know. The guys are not rate this, brother. Pick your side. You understand?
One thing I want you to understood. When girl good. And our pum pum top tier.
Yo, dog, yo, we can't bother people, yo. We are telling people, yo. We are telling dog, you want to be a comedian out there, bro. You must say top tier. Bombard, brother, yo. We are telling you, Alkaline make man themselves focus on the girl them again to bombard. We are telling people, yeah, man.
Our pum pum top tier, the pum pum have you always coming back. You see me? And this pum pum is so good, you have to, me the owner now have to request it at all times. That what the pum pum you carrying in your legs are my one, but you are carry it.
Yo, dog, yo, can't believe these people, yo. Alkaline, yo, dog. Chano, dog. Alka, you do it, youth. You do it. Me I tell you, brother. You do it, dog. Me I tell you, if you hear man talk like this.
I feel me, but you are carry it. Bring it to the owner. Like Dexter have said. You see me? Song tough.
People, you don't know one media fax pan app. Big up on yourself. This is dancehall. You don't know. One media fax pan app. Yeah, man. That is it.